this is part 3 of the full-size wallet. Now we're going to put this blue one on. It's a little smaller, but it'll look cute, so it's going to be like that. So you'll do the same thing as you did with the top. But here's another way to do it. Just pull out a super long piece and like put it over the bottom and sides, so it'll be somewhat like that. And then you can rip it if you like. And like I said in my tutorial, you're going to want to save your duct tape. It's the smartest choice. And then bottom. And then I could use this for the sides. Like I said, to save it, it's the best choice. And then I'll do that on the other side. And you guys probably know how to do this. So there's a pocket. And there's a pocket. And then on this side, we're going to put this pocket on. And we're going to use this pretty pink polka dot stuff. And since that doesn't match, this stuff is kind of hard to rip. So just give it a nice big cut, since if you put it on the inside, it's pink, not blue. So save that. And then do that to the other side. And trim it just a little more. So, I just have a little more to trim off. So, it's going to be just like that with a pocket there. But I have to do a little bit more. Just fill in those sides. And then do it on the sides and trim. And so now you have the pockets done. So there's 1, 2, 3 pockets. And there's the inside and the front. So it'll be folded like this. And like you can put a book on it. But now I have a little extra of something to use for designs. I have this old, well, new butterfly duct tape. I'm going to put a stripe, or pretend it's the brim, and put it right there. A little off. So, try your best to keep it even. So I have finished my first wallet that I've shown you. I hope you guys like it.
Daddy, come on!
And well, this is the first wallet I've showed you. So just want to trim these sides off. Duct tape is kind of tough, but so there it is. So you're going to fold it like that and put it under a book. And you could put like any kinds of designs on the front. Like I'll put one big pink corner right there just for a little design. So put that under the book for a while and you'll have your own 3 pocket purple blue butterfly polka dot wallet. And the first full-size wallet I showed you, it's not that thick, but I bet you guys could do it. So I hope you like the wallet, and can't wait to show you the next thing that we'll make. Bye!